Hello, everyone. I just wanted to take you through step by step how I would like for you to view my feedback on your papers. Uh, so there are a few different ways that I give you feedback on your paper, and I just want to kind of walk you through that. We're going to use Chris's paper. Chris was nice enough to allow me to use his paper as an example for this. Um, I've known Chris for a couple of years now, and I gotta say, he continually impresses me with not only his ability to write well, but just his ability to think deeply about the subject and critically think about what he's reading and analyzing, and he does that very well, point by point. He takes a frame, uses it to create an argument very well, analyze the text, and go through it very thoroughly. So, Chris, thank you very much for allowing me to use this paper as an example. We're not going to go point by point of the paper itself. I want to use Chris's paper as an example here of how to look at the feedback that I give you. Okay, so the most obvious thing is the feedback that I give in the paper itself, so the annotations I make within the paper. Thinking about, what the person's saying in the paper, giving feedback as I read through what I'm thinking. But then on the side here, you'll see the endnotes, the terminal comments that I make in the paper. So I'll tell you what you're doing well, what you can improve on. And so these are the most obvious comments that you can see within my feedback. But then less obvious, I think, is, and I think this is what people miss the most, is the rubric that I attach to your paper. Okay, so if you click on the hyperlink, it'll pull up a Word document here, usually at the bottom of your screen like this. And then you just click on that, and then it'll show you, my accounts, anyway, it'll show you what I feel you're doing well with the paper, what could be improved, right? So I'll highlight areas that I think, okay, this is what you do in your paper, this is where I feel your paper fits. Yeah, he's very articulate, very well spoken, so high marks for that, especially. Skill and sentence structure out, of course. Again, he's got a philosophy background here, so he's very well spoken, very well written. So if you ever get the pleasure of talking to Chris, you understand that. But so those are the three ways, right? So in the annotations in the paper itself, the terminal comments that are on the side of the paper, and then the hyperlink to the rubric. Okay, if you're having trouble finding this, go to, in your homepage, it'll say recent feedback. Click on essay 2 or whatever essay it is, and then you'll see this. If you click on assignments, I think it's kind of more of a roundabout way of doing this, but if you click on the recent feedback, that's the fastest way to get to what you see here. Okay, I hope this helps, and I hope you're all doing well. I will see you online soon.